Hey guys, it's Michelle. So I am going to be trying out a brand that I have never tried before, which is Lime Crime, and a product which I've never tried before, which is liquid eyeshadows. Specifically, the Lime Crime Diamond Dew Liquid Eyeshadows. I have heard a little bit about Lime Crime before. They aren't necessarily a huge brand that's sold in a lot of stores, but a good thing to know about them is that they are vegan and cruelty-free. So if that's something that's really important to you when looking for a good makeup brand, then something like Lime Crime is definitely great to take a look at. And not only will I be trying these products out, which is what I initially wanted to try, but when I ordered it online, I got a free liquid lipstick. It is the Lime Crime Valentine's Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Red Rose. So I'm also going to be trying this out today to kind of see what their liquid lipsticks are like. So I'm actually going to start with the liquid lipstick first to kind of try it on, see what its initial wear is, and keep it on throughout the video to kind of see how it feels and how it looks at the end. Now, red liquid lipstick is a very tricky business. I know Howard knows exactly what I'm talking about, so I'm going to try my best. So that actually looks pretty cute. It isn't like a super bright red. It's kind of like a pinkish kind of red. Maybe that's kind of where the Red Rose's name comes from, is because a little bit on the pink side as well. Initial feels, it doesn't feel too heavy or too dry automatically, so it probably takes a little bit for it to dry officially matte. The color actually looks pretty good so far. I only did one coat, so it's not like super streaky or anything. Makes my teeth look really white, and so far so good. So I'm going to keep this on while I try the eyeshadows. Now, looking into these eyeshadows a little bit, there's two ways to do it. It is a eyeshadow topper, so it is probably best to make sure you have an actual eyeshadow on before putting it on. So I'm gonna try it both ways. For both colors, I'm gonna do one eye with a eyeshadow base and the other eye on its own, so you can really see the difference. So I'm going to start with Rose Gold, which is, as you can guess, a rose gold glitter. Oh, it's kind of, there we go. Okay, so this is the applicator we're looking at. It's kind of like one of those little teardrop applicators. The glitter is huge on this. This is some chunky glitter right here. So I just put a very simple, light, neutral base color on this eye here. So I will try to see what it looks like when you have a base color on it. And then this eye I'm going to keep on its own and blank and just put the eyeshadow straight on. I'm just gonna go straight into it. Oh wow, that is glittery. Look at that. That is a very shiny eye right there. So that is what we're looking at as far as the first eye goes. It is very wet, so you want to be careful, but so far so good. It doesn't look like it really has a color of its own besides just the glitter, because I don't see anything besides the base coat that I put on. So I am going to go ahead and do the other side, which has nothing on it. This is a look. So for this one, I actually did go in twice, which as the first one, I only just kind of did one swoop of it. But as you can see, it is very glittery. This is the definition of the sparkle factor. Like, you can see my eyes glistening from here. Like, it is no joke that the glitter in this is very thick glitter. So if you want an impactful, super bright, super pigmented glitter, this is it. Upon closer examination, it does look a little bit streaky. So that is gonna be a problem, especially on this eye. This eye is already starting to crease because I have nothing on it, whereas this eye does look a little bit better having an eyeshadow underneath it, so I definitely recommend it as an eyeshadow topper, not as a standalone. I'll just let y'all get nice and close on that one. As you can see, this eye is already creasing a lot, whereas this eye still looks pretty intact. All right, so I have taken off rose golds off my eyes, which I should say, there's still gonna be a lot of glitter. There isn't too much on my eyelids, which is great, but it has fallen down underneath on my under eyes. So if you're looking for the after party, after the party, then this is gonna be it. So the other Diamond Dew eyeshadow I got is Chocolate Diamonds, which is going to be a very deep, rich brown. So I'm excited for this one because I feel like it is going to be a lot more impactful. Same deal, I did a light base color on this eye, and this eye is Naked. This is very pigmented. Woo! I did not do a great job of applying this, but oh my god, do you see that? This just like instant pigmentation, like that is chocolate glitter. And the thing with this is that because there is a dark brown contrasting, the glitter really pops. Like you can see it, like it is like unreal. There's also different colors of glitter, which I'm noticing now too. It's not just gold. There is a little bit of pinks or reds, maybe a green. I can't really see, but that is a very well-rounded color. So now I'm going to try on the other side, which has got nothing on it. So we will see what happens. Once again, did not do a great job in the application department. First time using liquid eyeshadow, I don't know what I'm doing. But that's the great thing about Wheesearch, is that you can watch me mess up, so you don't have to. There is not as much of a difference as with rose golds. I feel like they're both still very pigmented. Like you can just see it like from a mile away. This is also a really big statement eye. Like I don't know how you'd wear this. I am probably going to have to experiment on how to wear this, but it is definitely your pigmented eyeshadow. The coverage on this one definitely seems a lot better than rose gold, simply because of the darker contrasting color. So it really just kind of goes on and you can see it right away. As far as the finish goes, it actually went on pretty smooth. There wasn't a lot of like fidgeting around with making sure it isn't streaky. It just kind of glided right on, and then you just kind of have to blend it out a little. Once again, sparkle meter is off the charts because this is a sparkle lover's dream right here. And if you're not into it, I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna like it because it is 100% Glitter Town. So those are the two eyeshadows. I definitely feel like that they both serve different purposes. And I also went for very simple colors like rose gold and brown, but there are so many colors to choose from on the Lime Crime website for these eyeshadows. It's like blues and greens and pinks, and you can really just go crazy with it if you are all about glittery eyeshadows. So let's check on this red lip. It actually feels pretty good. Like it doesn't feel like super drying. It's obviously as dry as a matte lip normally is, but it feels great. It dried really nicely. It hasn't really smudged in all the talking that I've been doing in this video. And it doesn't look streaky, or it's not doing the weird lip thing. So I'm actually kind of surprised. So you can see like it looks pretty good. Like I might have to just touch up the insides, but that's just kind of how my mouth is. But I am really happy with it. The pigmentation looks great. It doesn't like fly off the rails or anything like that, so and my teeth still look white. So that is everything I have for you guys today. I hope you have enjoyed it and learned something and maybe want to try out Lime Crime or these eyeshadows. I'm actually pleasantly surprised because, like I said, I've never tried this brand before. I've never tried liquid eyeshadows in general, and I'm also really happy with this lip. I can definitely see myself wearing it as a very nice, very classic red. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more of me, I did another video here on Wheesearch reviewing the ColourPop collection at Sephora, or if you'd like, my channel and all my social media links are down in the description. Happy searching! Bye!